Strings Away here again. Welcome back to my Learn How to Crochet series. Today I'm going to show how to close a work. So how to close it in a magic circle so that it has a nice and clean closure, kind of like how we did the starting with the magic ring. We're going to try to make it look as similar as possible when we close. So I've made my little ball here. I've stuffed it up with stuffing. I've finished my stitches, so I'm just down to 6, and now it's time to close this loop. So the way you do this is you're going to look at your stitches, and like I said, each stitch has a little, I call it a V. What we're going to do is we're going to put our hook through that V. Okay, so we've finished. This is our last stitch right here. Here's one V, the next stitch over. We're going to put our hook through it and pull the yarn through that V, all the way through. We are going to repeat that all the way around until we've done it to all 6 stitches. So I'm going to shove my hook in between these two hoops, the 2 hoops of the V, pull the yarn through, do that again, 3 more to go, and last one. So we've pulled our yarn in through the middle of all those V's. Finally, just give it a good pull. There. Now it is closed, and we'll either leave this on if we're going to sew it to attach it to something, or if we're trying to hide it, I usually just shove my hook anywhere through there, just honestly anywhere near where the yarn ends, and then pull it in. It'll probably take me a couple tries. Just wrap them around that hook and pull it in there. Get all these little ends. Okay. And then give it a little squash till it has its good shape. Ta-da! We have made a little ball. And then this would be something like either probably the head of something or maybe the body. I don't know, it really depends what you're making. All right, I hope that tutorial was helpful for you. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye, take care. Hey, if you want to try out some of my free amigurumi patterns, head to stringsaway.ca. Check out my other YouTube channel, Kisskers. I do a lot of vlogging, mostly about food and traveling. Ciao for now.